Poser? Who's the poser now, poser? Blocked. 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 Oh, shit. How do you delete a comment? How do you undo? Oh no.
Ricky, what's your problem?
I just blocked this poser from our Facebook group, Instagram, YouTube, and our TikTok. Now, he says he's gonna hunt me down and grind me into butthole sausage.
Ricky, only posers get scared when other posers call them posers on the internet.
Now I gotta Google butthole sausage.
Go to bed. Your mom catches you up when she gets home from the dance hall again. She's gonna have my ass. Get some sleep.
I can't go to bed now. I gotta defend the shed. I change the algorithm, get that bounced off the Elon Musk satellite systems out in New Mexico, and then I think if I bypass Area 51's safety codes and bypass this terminal here, I can get inside the OnlyFans registry. Control-Alt-Delete. Change my identity, I'll change my Facebook, I'll change my MySpace, I'll change my everything. They won't even know where I exist. My name is Mickey Nix. Perfect. Never know. Oh, hey, it's moist. Oh, God! Smokey? Smokey!
Ricky!
Smokey, it's over, God!
Ricky, look at this mess! What have I told you about staying up late at night dismembering yourself making butthole sausage?
You think I did this?
You better get to bed before Diane gets home from the dance hall. Come on! Let's go.
You're gonna clean this mess up first thing tomorrow morning. Let's get to bed.
Oh, wait, Smoke. You know, getting decapitated really takes it out of you. These butthole sausages are a little good, actually.
Are you serious?
Ooh, a little bit.
All right, well, this and then we go straight to bed. Let's go.